All right. So, excuse me. Nice. So for the van, okay, speed sensor. It's right here. 7 input. What's that? Turbine speed sensor. So it's right next to where your dipstick tube is. Okay. Transmission, obviously. All right. So that's the one I got. So you can see what size wrench you need before you even get in there. It's going to be fun getting in there. Show you that. Okay, that's the part number. All right, not too expensive. All right, so let me show you. All right, so this is it right down here, right between the lines, the hoses for the tranny. Okay, yeah, that is just really nasty. Never replaced that before. So that's gonna be fun getting in there. I gotta clean it first, of course, so I don't get any dirt in the tranny. All right, and you can see. So battery for the air intake. Okay. Battery tray. Kind of loosen this up too. All right. This goes to the throttle body. Okay, just make some room in there. All right, so clean it up. All right, so this is where I'm at. Okay. 2 lines for the tranny. Okay. Cooler. Then unplug that. I'm gonna clean that. I got electrical grease. Well, grease too, but I have a spray. So I wanted to clean that as best as possible so when that comes out, don't get any dirt falling in there, but just do the best you can. Okay. So yeah, I got brake cleaner. Then I got this stuff. Okay, contact cleaner in there. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you. All right, once I get the new one in, it's gonna look like that. Just, of course, the new one's in there. And then the plug. Okay, so the plug is just right there. I cleaned that really well with the spray, electric spray cleaner stuff. Okay, so that's nice. That was pretty dirty too. So yeah, I do need to do some cleaning once I get that out of there. Okay. All right, it's the old one, obviously. Okay. Exactly the same. So once I unplugged it, you get the socket in there. Okay, it's 1 inch. 1 inch socket, and it wasn't too tight. And when you put it back in, you don't want to torque it too much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get probably just get a little bit of electrical grease and just put it around the seal. Put that back in, and then just put it back together. So, all right. So I'll show you after that. All right. Yeah, this is where I'm at here. I wanted to show you at least before I start putting everything together, and can't really see, but yeah, I mean, you'll see as you're taking it apart. This is what you're gonna see. So, yeah. So here, this connection, took it off, cleaned it with the spray. Okay, electrical spray stuff. And then I put some electrical grease on the connection. Did that, and then did the tranny lines. Okay, cleaned them. All right. And yeah, it's looking good. All right. All right, so this I kind of, let's see, yeah. Loosen this up. This has got to go around the other side of I got some wires and stuff I have to move back. Okay, like this for the throttle. This goes on the other side. And there's 2 bolts here. Okay. And let's see, remove the vent here. Push port for the air box. The tray for the battery. Okay, went ahead and cleaned that up. So I'll go back in there and the battery in, and yeah, there's really nothing much else to it. I'll do a little more straightening of the wires here, organizing them, maybe do a zip tie. Yeah, so yeah, the blue one goes to my fan. I have a backup switch in there, a toggle switch for the fan. Okay. In case the fan, I've had that go out before. So I have that if I need it. It's just right there. So yeah, that's it. Just, you know, like a lot of this stuff just takes time, and I like to do some really good cleaning while I'm in there, especially so I don't get any dirt falling into the tranny. But either way, I like to clean stuff. So all right, hey, thanks for watching and subscribing. So okay, bye now.